What's up, YouTube? We are here at Watkins Glen, New York for the Go Bowling NASCAR race. Morning! Beautiful day. Everybody's friendly there. That guy is ready to say good morning to everybody. So hope y'all are having a good day. And we're going to check out Watkins Glen. We're just walking around behind turn 1. And yeah, going to head across the pedestrian bridge here to get over to the track.
Maybe there is a bridge right here and we just can't tell.
Yeah, so we're
right here.
You are here, you are there. And then we need pedestrian bridge, you are here. So here's start finish. There's start and finish.
I think we just start walking.
Yeah, we'll find it. Yeah. All right, here we go. We are actually crossing over the track, coming out of turn 1 and looking up the S's. Rumple strips. Here, turn 1. There we go. All right, here we go on the way to the garage. That's all the front row, front stretch stands. Paddock entrance right here. That's cool. Right, so we got the main manufacturers here. We got the Ford compound, the Toyota, and of course the bow ties at the Chevrolet. There we go.
You never take the outside.
All right, we're just here trying to figure out which all access we had, and we had the pink one, so we did get garage, pit road. It was super cool. First time had all that type of access, so definitely appreciate the VIP badge. All right, out here at some of the haulers. And here we got the RCR haulers, and pretty cool. We got the Mac Bulldogs on the sides and then the Gold Bulldogs on the hoods. The garage doesn't open until 11:30 on race day morning, so we're just waiting in line with the rest of the VIP badge holders. And these are all the Toyota Tundras that they put the drivers in the back and take them around on the parade lap, I guess, before the race starts. So just a massive amount of Tundras parked there. And so we're finally in, and at first the front stretch was the only thing that's open to the VIP badges. Pit road was still closed, the garage was still closed, but pretty neat to go out on the track and be out on the front stretch, right in front of the stands, start finish line and everything. All right, so we're out here pre-race on pit road, front stretch area. It's getting pretty wild, getting pretty busy. Here we go. And pit road was empty right now, but the teams were starting to get up and set all their equipment up and get ready. So business was picking up pretty soon. All right, we got Larson setting up right here. Get down here to the 9 car. We got Suarez setting up. There we go. Let's
You gotta stay back up that way.
see. We got okay. So this is the end of our tour, but I see down there Chastain, there's Chase, and Bowman's numbers. So there you go. So just a temporary delay there in our little pit road tour. Once we get on pit road, we'll be able to see more of the pit crew boxes. So just hanging out here. There's a tribute to the Richard Petty the King there, his cowboy hat. The garage opened at noon, so I had a couple lines here waiting to get into the garage area. So here we go. Alright, so garage is open, and since we were in kind of the thick of the line, it's just a pretty big pack of people everywhere at first, just kind of going through, checking out everything, getting pictures at their favorite teams. Back of the hauler there, a lot of the teams kind of coming and going. You got a guy here grilling for the team. FedEx guy was getting ready to crank up the grill as well. So really cool, just all these guys starting their day and allowing all these people in to take pictures and get some hero cards and just see them preparing for the race day. I got kind of up close here at Napa team. Chase's number 9 hauler right there with Bowen. They had a lot of the cards there, passed them out. There's Larson's HendrickCars.com hauler, 4311. On the other side of the haulers here was the actual garage, and obviously you can see the cars here. They're prepping them for getting ready to roll out on the pit road for the grid. You got Chase Elliott's and Daniel Suarez there getting set up, and I would say Ross Chastain's hauler there had probably the best backdoor party there. They had a whole little push light section set up, and back on this side here you got Larson's and Denny Hamlin's cars getting prepped and ready to go. So really neat access they allow for this. So basically you make a U-turn at the end of that garage area and you come back up on the other side. So then you got the other haulers on the right hand side, and then you've got the garage for said haulers on the left there. So just going by the Colleague trailers, Legacy Motor Club's trailers, and yeah, just as busy over here too. People checking all everything they can out with again, just the access is incredible here, how they allow with these VIP badges. So just going to continue going up this side until pit road is the next to be open. They'll start rolling the cars out once it officially opens. So just going to check out a couple more things here and then get on pit road. And here we got Daniel Hemrick and Austin Dillon's cars getting ready. Got Michael McDowell and Josh Berry's Fords getting set up here, ready to roll out on pit road soon. It is packed out here, so busy. And here's just a last look at Kyle Busch's car before he's ready to roll out on the pit road. This was the end of kind of the garage tour, so about back up to the front of the pit road. Made a quick stop on the media center up top on the observation deck to look out, and you can just, such a great view up here, see the mountains up in Watkins Glen, New York. It's a great shot of the front stretch with all the grandstands, and we're standing right above Victory Lane, as you can tell down with the checkerboard. So really cool little spot. Come back here at the front stretch. There's the front stretch stands. All pit crews are getting stuff ready. Got all the Tundras here to take the drivers around. Cars are starting to roll out. See Mark Truex's car right there. And yeah, rolling out on pit road. Noah Gragson's car right here. Just starting to come out. And finally, pit road is now open. We were able to get down and walk back through. This is the backside, so still a lot of stuff going on, getting set up. Guys obviously taking tires down, and teams still kind of filing in, pushing the cars onto actual pit road. But really cool, kind of get behind the scenes here and see all the sets of tires they've got prepared, and just getting closer to green flag. All right, so here we are, the end of pit road, start of the grid. They're all lined up. You're looking down into turn 1 right there, taking that hard right. So you had radio and TV going up and down pit road here, getting some final interviews with the drivers before they got buckled in and ready to go. So just finishing up here our walk around and getting ready for a national anthem. Getting ready to have everybody clear off pit road. So just enjoy some more sights and sounds here from pit road.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Lost the vision of what?
So with that, it was time for everybody to clear off pit road. Race was getting ready to start and getting ready to fire up the engines. So we were heading up pit road and heading to a cool little spot up here at the beginning of the straightaway. A nice little area where a lot of shade. Actually, it was a really sunny, hot day, so it was a good shady spot. You could put up a chair and just chill out and see some good action there. Obviously, road course, there's so many different spots, a lot different than an oval to watch a race, but great spot here. So let's check out the start here as they fire off. And we finally found that pedestrian bridge, and so just crossing this over here after one of the cautions there and heading over to the grandstand side, and that's going to call it a day for us, but just such a cool place. So I'm going to close this video out. So okay guys, that was the Watkins Glen Go Bowling 300 race. It's awesome. Hope you enjoyed watching. Appreciate everybody watching, new subscribers. It's really cool to be down on the pit road and garage before the race started. Pretty neat to see how the whole circus operates. So thanks again, and we will catch you next time.